See what my husband got me. 2 months anniversary chow. What's that? Oh yeah, thank you, baby. Oh, I'm so happy.
How do you show
my
face?
baby, my baby.
How do you show my face?
Happy anniversary.
How do you show my face?
Show your face. You must show your face. You must show your face. See, your face is even showing already. Why are you running? But yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new vlog. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. Yeah, the year is gradually coming to an end, and all of its celebration everywhere. Thankful for that. Yesterday was October 31st, and that marked our 2 months wedding anniversary, and yeah, it was just so beautiful, going down memory lane with pictures, videos, and just reliving the memories. Our wedding was very beautiful, if I do say so myself. So just going through all of that, and thanking God for how far He has brought us. 2 months just like that. So yeah, and like I said, celebrations keep coming up because God is good. So today is November 1st. Yeah, it's a new month, and we have a wedding to attend. Okay, you see why I said celebrations keep coming, and God is good for that. So one of my husband's friends is getting married today, and yeah, we'll be there to celebrate with them. So we are getting set, our boxes are packed. So okay, backstory. The wedding is happening in London, so yeah, we would have to go all the way to London to celebrate with them. We'll be going by train, so I'm experiencing a whole lot of firsts actually, and I'm loving it. This is going to be my first ever train ride experience, and yeah, my first time going to London, to like sleeping in London. We would have to sleep over for the night. The wedding is today by 5 p.m. It's an evening celebration, so the wedding is today by 5 p.m. and by the time we're done with everything, we just decided to lodge over and would spend the night in London. So yeah, that's the plan. I'm excited. I'm excited to see how everything unfolds. It's also going to be our first time attending a wedding here in UK. So you see why I said it's a whole lot of firsts, and we're excited. We're excited. We're excited to see how everything unfolds. Okay, so yeah, like I said, our boxes are packed. Well, I don't mean big boxes, but we're just spending one night, so we just carry on luggages, and yeah, carry on box. Oh, see, you get. So yeah, I'm just our train is for 1:14, and this is currently 10:40 thereabouts. So just want to start getting ready to travel. Okay. Okay guys, I'm going to take you guys along and just show you as much as I can, and yeah, let's see how this goes. Okay. Hey guys, So we're all ready to leave. We're leaving the house now. Our ride is on the way. So let's go. Carry on the load. Environment alone. Let me just show you. Man dealing with the luggages. But yeah, are we entering this building? It's giving airport. Passenger princess. That's our lunch because it is necessary. No white rice and stew. Guys, we just got to the last train stop, Shepherdton. I'm waiting in my corner. Oh, I don't realize how much traveling makes me tired, but yeah, as if someone you can just appear and disappear. I wish. It's been over 2 hours. But yeah, I was waiting for a ride to take us to the hotel. Yeah. We just want to be done with this trip already. I beg.
Traveling myself.
You don't like traveling too?
I hate traveling myself.
Like, can we just leave the house and appear where we're going to? Without
It's not an excuse. It's not an excuse, but I used to say it too that the reason why I don't
those
travel.
people are definitely for.
The reason why I don't travel is because of the whole stress of.
Yeah, that's.
And it's not even a thing of. Maybe if it is plane, even plane stresses me out. I don't even lie.
But yeah, we're just waiting for our ride. But yeah, guys, at the hotel already. Careful. It looks really nice. The all is finally in the room already. Let me give you guys a little room tour, okay? So the entrance, then you see the bathroom. Then yeah, the shower, bathtub, then another mirror, closet. Okay. Then sharp, you already you don't carry laptop sharp to work. But yeah, this is the bed and TV, a workstation, another mirror, the husband. But yeah, that's it, guys. That's it. We should actually start getting ready. It's already like 4 o'clock. The wedding is for 5. What am I saying? 5 p.m. So catch you guys later. View from our room. So nice. So we are all dressed. It's a white affair. Very, very demure, very mindful, very cutesy. But I look good if I do say so myself. So babe, come and show yourself in my camera. No, come here. It is not. Come. I want them to see you. Come and stand straight. But yeah, my man. But yeah, it's looking so good. Yeah, my husband. My husband. My husband. Shame. Attitude. Karamo is plenty. We are getting ready to go to the event is happening in this hotel, so just go downstairs.
mashallah, bismillah, mashallah.
That's very bad.
My beautiful wife.
You guys hire something right now.
But you don't lie, you don't lie.
Thank you so much for your help today. And all our events. You've put in so much work and time, and I appreciate you so much, so much. Today the success because of you. Thank you. From the first time I saw you, my skinny jeans and Doc Martens. I knew I did the jackpot.
Yeah.
You have been them in every sense.
It will.
My family and friends can be witness to my change in dress. Thank you all for sharing this special.
Guys, the wedding is over. We're finally back to our room. It was a really good time. It was a very, very good time. I mean, seeing my husband's friend, I've only known most of them via like just online, but seeing them physically, and just being around at least people to an extent. It was really good. It was a very good time. And this was actually like my very first no, this is not even, it is interracial, international. I mean international as in from two different countries, because the groom is Nigerian, the bride is Tanzanian, I guess. So just seeing two different cultures coming to celebrate love, and it was really, really good. It was really, really good. I'm happy I got to I got to witness that. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog too. Like, more Nigerians be doing the most. Even outside the shores of Nigeria, you can still feel the heat that yes, this is a Nigerian wedding. So yeah, it was great. A very, very Nice time was had. There was a lot to eat, a lot to drink. I'm sure you guys must have seen from the vlog. So yeah, it's currently already past midnight, so yeah. We're already in the next day, and before we go back home, we would want to go to the market. Just go to a market here in London and see if we can get some foodstuffs at a better rate than Cambridge, where we reside. So that's what we're going to be doing later in the afternoon after we check out from here. So yeah, maybe I'll show you guys that, maybe I won't. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for watching. I had a really good time with the train experience and then the wedding experience too. It was a good time overall. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you've liked the video. I hope you subscribed. If something resonates with you, just drop a comment and share this video to someone else to watch. Yeah. I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Yeah, London living.
Before 142.